and are looking to advertise on Facebook, you may have noticed that there's a new rule called special ad category. Now, this is especially important if you're in the real estate industry and looking to advertise on Facebook, because if you don't select this little box here, you won't Facebook won't show your ads to anyone. So let's just look through this right quick, and this tells you a little about what it is. So these were all once things we could use to advertise and get leads through Facebook ads. Um, age to 65 can be changed. You can't change the gender, the detailed targeting. So what we used was demographics, behaviors, interests is no longer unavailable. A lot of people, when you were advertising for engagement, we would use your location, so to your local town. That's no longer available. Lookalike audiences was a big one. This is what we used to take a previous lead list, and we would upload it to Facebook to give it some data, and in turn they would find another set of people who had the same data points as the people on your lead list. And this we can mine more leads from that list. Also custom audience and saved audiences. So that is no problem. Today I'll be showing you how to make a special ad audience. In order for us to make a special ad audience, we first have to make a custom audience. So in order for us to create a special ad audience, the first thing we have to do is create a custom audience. So we'll come up here, type in audience. On the audience insights, click audiences. This takes a bit to load up. So once here, come down to create audience, custom audience. And so there's many different ways we create a custom audience. The first one is website traffic. And what we can do with website tracker is track anyone who's ever visited your website, blog page, or landing page. And in turn, we can use that data because it will show people who have interest in buying or selling homes. Next one is customer list. This is past data of any buyer or seller leads list you have. Also Facebook page. So this will create an audience of people who have commented, like, or viewed any videos you have on your page or any ads you've run. So for this example, we're going to be doing website. So come down to website, and website will work perfectly if you have a Facebook pixel installed on your website. So come down to just name your audience, demo, create audience. And now our custom audience has been created. So now we all have to wait for Facebook to create basically a custom audience. So this is the process we have to go through. So once you're done here, come up here to audiences, ads manager. So once here, click create. Now again, you have to abide by the rules Facebook has set. So come down here, check this box, click housing. So you want to click housing, conversions. And you can name your campaign whatever you want it to name. But for this demonstration, I'll just put it demo. All right, so once you've named it, press continue. Takes a bit of load up. And again, you can name whatever you want to, but for the sake of this video, I'll just show you what this is all about. And the conversion event you want to choose, Can be whenever you want, whatever you think will help you convert. So let's just choose lead. And let's come down here to the audience. Now you can see here how everything here is just restricted. Like we could once use the locations, edit the location to whatever we wanted to, the age range, the gender. We no longer have detailed targeting, so it's very restricted, but that's no problem. As you can also see here, the special ad audience. This was once filled with audiences that we did research on and created. Now, what you want to do is click Create New, Special Ad Audience, and alright, so once you're here, come down here and choose your, so what we did, we created the demo custom audience. That was the audience we created. So click here. And the thing with this audience location is that we have to type in a country. It does not let us target by town or state. It has to be by country. So even if you did try to type, for example, Dallas, Texas, see, it won't let you. So you have to do by country. So it's there. And now you want to select your audience. So once you're here, come down to select audience size, and you want to start off with 1%. So this is going to create a ad audience of 2.2 million people. So we want to start off small when we're starting off with our special ads. So we're going to come down here. All right, so once you're done here, just click Create Audience. And as you can see here, it'll tell you exactly. Still loading, but I'll come back to that. So anyway, so let's keep narrowing down our audience. We can also exclude people. So any previous leads we may have contacted, we can also exclude from down here. So we'll just come down here and hold on. All right. So you don't want to target the whole of the United States. So what you want to do is, let's say, all right, so once here, you want to do the areas. So let's say Phoenix. Phoenix, Arizona. That. And as you can see, it won't let us do anything less than 15 miles. You can see, I'll just show you right here. Nothing less than 15 miles. But, so there's nothing you really can do about the 15 miles. It's really restricted, but that's no problem. Anyways, come down here again. You can't change the age, and you can't change the gender, and what you can do is you can actually, let's see if it'll work on here. So if you want to test out some audiences that work better, you can do realtor.com. People who have an interest in realtor. What else? I think Zillow. Now you can test with different audience with different interests to see which one is the best out of the audiences you've tested with, and the best one will yield the best results. But yeah, that's pretty much how you create a special ad audience. Yeah.